Introducing the newest ventilation fan from Broan with SurfaceShield with Vive antimicrobial light. Bathrooms are a breeding ground for bacteria, mold, and fungi. The warm, humid environment is perfect for these germs to thrive. With the flip of a switch, Broan's powerful ventilation combined with SurfaceShield technology helps protect your family by removing the humidity and preventing bacteria, mold, and fungi from growing. Vive light shines on the bacterial cell and activates an excess of reactive oxygen species within the cell. Buildup of these molecules is toxic, which causes cellular damage and the death of the cell, rendering it harmless. SurfaceShield is designed to work continuously. Operating at less than 4 watts, it will only cost you pennies a day. The SurfaceShield light, combined with a regular cleaning routine, will help keep your bathroom cleaner and healthier for your family.